So here's my question for you. Why is creativity a bad thing in accounting? Have you ever wondered why it is that we think that you can't be creative and good at accounting? Join us this week for our mastermind session where we walk through how we can actually use the creativity that you have in your business, what's made you great, all the knowledge you have, and turn that into something that's useful, not just for running your business, but actually forecasting. Because accounting is the language of business and we need the knowledge of where you are, but we also need that juice, that creative, the good ideas to make meaningful changes, not just a year from now or a month from now, but right now. And so I challenge you to watch our Monday Mastermind and reach out to us if you want instructions on how to create a weekly forecast. And then my challenge for this week is for you to use that creativity that you use in all the other areas of your business, to use it in your budget and to really think outside of the box, the things that we can do today to make a difference now. And together, I know we are going to change the way you think about your accounting in 2023 and ultimately change the way you run your business for the better.